Hello, today I will be comparing Famiworths single serve coffee maker for K-cup and ground coffee versus Hamilton Beach 49 Nitrous 3 2-way 12 cup programmable drip coffee maker. Be sure to watch the end and I'll tell you which is better. Links to all the products and the description. If you so let's start. Brewing options: Hamilton Beach is better. K-cup compatibility is tie. Ground coffee compatibility is tie. Brewing capacity: Hamilton Beach is better. Brew range control: Hamilton Beach is better. Ease of use: Hamilton Beach is better. Design and size: Famiworths is better. Water reservoir: Hamilton Beach is better. Programmability: Hamilton Beach is better. Cleaning is tie. Milk froze is tie. Price: Famiworths is better. Special features: Hamilton is better. Size footprint: Famiworths is better. Versatility: Hamilton Beach is better. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the Hamilton Beach 49.933 2-way 12 cup programmable drip coffee. The link to buy it is in the video description.